welcome. My name is Lainey Bernstein. I've been the music director here for the past 3 years. And I just wanted to thank a few people. I want to thank Matt and Jonathan and Gary for playing so beautifully. I want to thank Robin, who's been the assistant music director and the theater ministry team lead. I want to thank Steve Curry, who is the music director at the Agape Center for Spiritual Living, for being here tonight. Angie Dutton, and then I also really want to thank our music team, and I want to thank the committee who put the party together, the whole program. I'm part of the committee, and it was very ably led by Sandy Raw and Celeste Holt, and I'm just very grateful to be part of it.